Hey guys, it's Musha and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I created this braided bun hairstyle on my natural hair, of course. And yeah, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Musha. I make natural hair videos and any other videos that tickles my fancy. In today's video I will show you exactly how you can also create this hairstyle. By the end of this video you will have learned how to braid like a pro. Okay, even if you can't grip your hair. This video is especially for those of you who struggle with gripping the braids. So yeah, if you'd like to learn the tricks that naturals use to grip the hair, then stick around. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Alright, so without talking too much, let's get into the video. Doing some braids, like with a afro puff kind of braid. Like I'm going to be creating like a bun with the braids. So this is actually the rubber band method, and if you don't know how to grip, then this might actually help you. So it's a quick braid tutorial, and I'll just show you the hair that I'm using. I'm using this hair called the Naomi double, and it comes like pre-stretched already, so you don't have to start doing the stretching yourself. So this is what it comes like. There's like 2 of them, so I go like 2 packets because I feel like that should be enough. And obviously it's orange, like it's all bright. Yeah, so I'll be using this hair. Hopefully it'll be enough for my head, for what I'm planning on doing. It's not like it's not like full-on braids. It's just like big braids that I'll be doing with this hair, and then I'll be like curling the hair as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy. Okay, so I pre-stretched my hair like 2 days ago. I was meant to do my hair yesterday, but I didn't, so yeah. I stretched my hair, I blow dried my hair. So if you want to see how I blow dry my hair using the One Step blow dryer by Revlon, then click up here or in the description box below. I will link the video there, you can go watch. Oh yeah, I also trimmed my hair after that. So yeah, I've stopped waiting for the time like to be right, to, you know, to trim my hair. I just trim it whenever I see like my ends are not in good shape, they don't feel right. I'll just snip it. Right now I just want health of length. Okay, I'll stop talking now. So these are elastic bands that I'm using. I'm going to be also using some of this Let's Jam conditioning shine and regular hold gel. Yeah, this is what it looks like inside, and it smells a bit like alcohol. I'm not sure if that's good. Might dry out my hair, because we know anything that contains alcohol in it dries out your hair. I have put the elastic band into my hair. This is what my hair is looking like, and then we braid. Hey guys, so the elastic band is not going so well because the elastics keep popping off, and I found that I can't really properly grip the hair with elastic band on, so I'm just going to do it like this. But this was for me to show you that you can actually do your hair if you don't know how to grip. So this is the best way, use the elastic band method and braid that way. But for me, I can't, it's not working out properly, so I'm just gonna have to braid the normal way. But hopefully you can try this out for yourself if you're struggling to grip your hair. So yeah. guys, so I am almost done with the hair. Well, I am done with the hair, and I put obviously the perm rod onto the end of the hair because I wanted to curl it, and I also dipped it in hot water. I really didn't want to bring hot water up in here and start doing those things, so yeah, just to avoid accidents, so I had to do it somewhere where it was more safe. So yeah, all I did was dip the ends into hot water. If you're gonna do this, make sure you get somebody to help you if you're not experienced or if you're not feeling confident about it. So yeah, that's just a little warning. Okay, don't try this at home. Right, so I'm just gonna take down these the perm rods off of the hair, obviously hoping that it's curled up as I wanted it to curl up. And yeah, it's all curly, so that's exciting. That's what I was hoping for. Okay, so I'm going to put it in a bun. That's what this hair is really meant for, to be put in a bun, not down like this. But I actually like it like this. Like, oh my gosh! So this is the hair, this is the vision. I hope you guys like this hairstyle and hope you would try it. I know it's very bright, yes. So right now black is going to be my favorite color because I can't wear any other colors with this on my head. But I love it, and yeah. So yeah, I decided to add some of these little pins. Today I'd like to give a shout out to my subscriber, one of my subscribers, okay? And I'm gonna pick somebody from my previous video, possibly the first comment on my video. Today's shout out goes to Benedicta Azakea Izeko. I hope I said your name right. If I didn't, I do apologize, but thank you so much for commenting on my previous video. I really do appreciate you. So if you'd like me to give you a shout out in my next video, just make sure you comment below, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, also if you're the first to comment, if you're notification gang, let me know, comment down below. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.